Hi everyone, my name is David, and currently I'm 19 years old, and I'm on the way to become a full-stack engineer. In today's video, I'm going to do a project that is related to the React components. The background of this project is that there's a client that they want to hide their personal information behind the authorization form. So let's start. So in the contact function, there is a function called handle submit, which will be responsible for us to authorizing the user into the system. Okay, and look at the H1 contact right now. If user hasn't been authorized, then you want the H1 element to display enter the password instead. So we can use the ternary operator. So authorized So if authorized equals to true, then we can send back contact, or else we should display enter the password. Enter the password. Yep. Let's check if the last step is working. For now, we change the use state into true. Use state into true. Here. True. So authorized. Display contact only if authorized is true. If authorized is false, then the H1 element should display enter the password. So change it into back to false. Nice. So there's an enter the password. Okay. So let's check if that's already change back to false. Okay. If the user isn't authorized, then you want them to see a login form into which they can enter a password. So before the return statement here, you need to add create a new variable named login. Set it equal to the form. Set it equal to form. give this form an action attribute with a hashtag. Next one. Now let's give your form some input for the user. Inputs. For the first input, there are two attributes: type, password, and placeholder password. For the second attribute, we only need one attribute, which is type equals to submit. Now let's hide the contact info after your login variable. Declare another variable name contact info. And move the unordered list into contact info. Okay, and by saving two JXX expression as variables, in the components return statement, make a new line h1. On this new line, create a ternary operator. So authorized. If it is authorized, we should pass contact info. Otherwise, we should ask the user to log in the password. Within the contact function, you need to handle submit to get called whenever a user clicks the submit button. Give the form element an onSubmit attribute. So here, on submit equals to handle submit function. Yes. And try entering an incorrect. Get a code review. The contact info and login form should not be inside h1 tags. Oh, so this one should not be in h1 tags. Where can I enter the password? Remove the extra h1 tag around the login form. password. The password input field and are present in your code, but the contact info is always being shown. Check your return statement. Make sure only one of these is shown at a time. Authorize equals to true. It's not authorized. Change it to true. The issue is that both the login form and the contact info are being rendered at the same time. Ensure that only one of them is rendered. Both login form and contact info. Ensure that only one of them is rendered based on the value of authorized in your return statement after H1. Use a ternary operator to render These will show the password input only when not authorized and the contact info only when authorized. Make sure that the return statement no longer has the contact info variable should now contain the unordered list element. Make sure to add this ternary statement after closing. After the closing H1 tag and before the wrap. Try entering in an incorrect password and hitting submit. After you save the browser preview on the right, it's not. Make sure your code only renders the login form when authorized is false. And only renders the contact info when authorized is true. The code report. main issue is that the form is submitting and causing a page reload, which clears the state and makes it loop. To fix it, prevent the default of submission behavior in your handle submit function. Add prevent default.